getting honeys and scaring bunnies, you already know. Haha, so this truck gonna keep on rolling down the road, and it ain't no joke, cause Georgia boys are good as gold. So take some notes when you hear this flow, and you see the mud hanging on the door. My truck ain't slow and it ain't for show, cause we jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high.
Deep down in the woods, high like the trees, a bunch of rednecks who don't have no damn degrees. Yeah, I'm ripping for the sticks, I'm ripping for us hicks. I'm talking about us folks who ain't never seen rich. Yeah, my Chevy truck is jacked up, a mud hole make me act up. I snatch and tighten slack up, I'm slinging mud, y'all back up. It's true, it ain't no lie, my Chevy's high on 45s. Cruising DUI, you know I'm sipping apple pie. Got that wheelie bumping loud, black and camo on my ride. Yeah, that Georgia flag flies, cause I'm known to show my pride. Yeah, we creep and we crawl, country clique yelling yeehaw. Yeah, I've had some slips and falls due to too much alcohol.